Oh, hey, dude.
Hey dude, what's up?
Oh, yeah, have you heard about Joe?
Who's Joe?
Yeah, Joe Brown. He works with me back at the factory.
Oh no, I don't think I know Joe Brown. What about him?
Oh, yeah, so he told me that he has ligma.
What's ligma?
It's some kind of skin disease. It's, like, really bad, and he might not make it back from it.
Oh, that's horrible. How did he get it?
The doctor says he probably got it from too much exposure to Updog.
What's up, dog?
It's a chemical they use in the factory.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think they import it from like Sugandese.
Oh, where's Sugandese?
Sugandese nuts.